Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with admin access and saved files because disabling hardware may require a restart. Once logged in, open Start and type Device Manager. Press Enter to open it. In Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices. That's where Windows lists touch controllers, or look for name containing touchscreen. Make sure you can see the list clearly and know which device is the touch input. If you see multiple HID entries, pick the one mentioning touch or vendor name to be safe before proceeding. Now disable the driver. Right-click the identified touchscreen HID entry and choose Disable Device. Windows will ask you to confirm, accept it. You do this because disabling the driver stops the touch controller from sending input without uninstalling it. Once disabled, test the screen. If touch stops, great. If touch persists, try disabling other HID entries that mention touch or vendor ID, one at a time. Make sure not to disable unrelated input devices, like your keyboard or trackpad, unless they're clearly labeled. To finish, verify touch is off and then close Device Manager. You can re-enable the device later by right-clicking and choosing Enable Device. If disabling didn't work, try uninstalling the driver and restarting so Windows reinstalls a non-functional default, or U-System restore to revert recent driver changes. Also check BIOS or your laptop maker's utility. Some models provide a hardware toggle for touchscreen. If all else fails, make sure you have an external mouse handy and contact support with the device model and driver details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.